Hello students. This is Ms. Priya Rathore. And students, today I am with English subject. So please take out your book number 3. And in book number 3, you need to open the page number 4141. Students, you all know that we had completed our letter till letter J, isn't it? So today we are going to learn the formation of letter K, capital and small both. As you all know, we had discussed the introduction of letter K in our live class, isn't it? Like this: K ka kite, K ka kit, K ka key, K ka kit, K ka kitten, K ka cattle, K ka kiwi. Here also some pictures are given over here on page number 3939, like K ka kangaroo, K ka canal, K ka koala, K ka karate, isn't it? So here we are going to learn how to write capital letter K. Trace the letter and write the picture, color the picture, sorry. So as you can see the formation, it starts from the red line to blue line, isn't it? There are 3 steps are given over here. The first step is start from the red line to the third line, that is blue one. Please focus it. Keep your pencil over here on red line and start joining the dots slowly and come down to the blue line till here. Then keep your pencil on the red line and come down to the mid line, that is blue one. That is the second step. Make a slant line like this. The third step, keep a pencil over here and make one more slant line from this line to this line, like this. It's capital letter K, isn't it? And what's the sound of K? K says K. K says K. Now after completing the letter K, tracing the letter K, you need to take out your color box. And here I am going to choose this blue color for coloring this kite. Okay, you can choose by your own color. Here I am going to take blue and pink one. Fine. So I'll show you the coloring. See students, here I have done my coloring. Color the picture of kite. So speak with me. K ka kite, isn't it? Now come to the bottom side on page number 4141. Here you have to trace and write the letter K. Which letter is this? It's capital letter K. So firstly we are going to trace it. So keep a pencil over here and make one standing line, then one slant line, one more slant line. It's capital letter K. The standing line from red line to third line, that is blue one. Slant line from red line to blue line. Next slant line from blue line to blue line. It's capital letter K. Speak with me. What's the sound of K? K says K, isn't it? Now here no dots are given over here. So here we are going to practice how to write capital letter K without dots. Okay, so you need to keep your pencil over here on the red line, then make one standing line over here, then again a slant line like this, again a slant line like this. It's capital letter K. Now speak. K ka kite, K ka kangaroo, K ka cattle, K ka canal. You need to speak and write so that you can learn the formation and learn the words those start with letter K and learn the sound as well. Okay. Now speak and write. K ka key, K ka kit, K ka key. Okay students, so in this way you need to write capital letter K on page number 4141 and you need to color the kite as well. Now after completing the page number 4141, please turn your page and come to the page number 4242 over here. Okay. Now here also you have to trace the letter and circle the picture whose name starts with K. So firstly we are going to trace the letter. As you can see, there are also 3 steps are given over here. Okay, the first step is start from the red line to the third line, that is blue one. We need to make one standing line like this. Make one standing line. After that, the second step is you need to keep a pencil on the second line, that is blue one, and come here. Make one slant line like this. This is a second line, that is slant line. And the third step, make another slant line like this. It's a small letter K. Okay, these 2 slant lines are made between these 2 blue lines. Fine. Now tell me, K ka key or K ka pen? K ka key. Yes, so we will circle this picture only like this. K ka key. Fine. Now come down and trace and write. Here also we need to write small letter K. Fine. So keep a pencil over here on the red line and make one standing line like this from red line to blue line. And the second step, make one slant line from blue line like this. Again a slant line, come down to the blue line like this. Fine. Is small letter K. Speak with me. Which letter I am writing right now? I am writing small letter K. Which letter I am writing? Small letter K. Which letter I am writing? Small letter K, isn't it? Now here no dots are given over here, these 2 lines. So here we are going to do practice without dots. Okay. So keep a pencil over here and make one standing line like this. Then make one slant line from blue line. Again a slant line to the blue line like this. A small letter K. Now speak and write. K ka kiwi. K ka kettle. K ka kite. K ka kangaroo. K ka koala. K ka kiwi. K ka keyboard. Okay students, in this way you have to complete the page number 4242 in your book number 3, and after completing your work you need to submit your work on Google Classroom in PDF form. Okay, thank you.